Hi beautiful thinkers, Temi here, T-E-M-I. Welcome to Temi's Beautiful Thoughts. So I forgot to do an intro for the video you're about to watch. So it's just a video of me trying out the p.louise base, and I wanted to see how it worked. Just a quick review, just to see the application and the way that it works with eyeshadow. And I used my Coastal Scents eyeshadow pot. Yeah, I used my Coastal Scents eyeshadow pot. So stay tuned for my thoughts on the p.louise base. Should you pick it up? Should you not? Stay tuned and you find out. Thank you. Bye. Let's give this p.louise base a try, right? I'm gonna be using this Coastal Scents hot pot that I bought a while back, and the few times I've used the Coastal Scents hot pot, they're not the best quality, so I want to see if this p.louise base would really help it. It's not that it's bad shadows, but I've used better shadows. I mean, they're 99 cents, so I think I want to do something with the purple right here and the yellow. Yes, because I really want to put this to test with like really bright colors. I don't know what I'm doing, like what look, but we'll figure it out together. So I'm gonna use, I already primed my eyelid with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer because my eyelids are oily, so I always put something down first to control that oil before I go in with another base. So I'm gonna put this all over my lid. Let me see, it doesn't matter. And I have the p.louise cut crease what's it called, cut crease brush as well. So I'm just gonna use a little bit to just prime my entire eyelid. The color I have, I believe the color that I got is the color 2. So I'm just putting just a little bit. I don't wanna, I've used it once and I don't know. I wasn't wowed the first time that I used it, so I don't know. I'm just gonna go in and just pat it in. I'm not putting too much, I'm just putting a little bit. I know that the videos that I've seen, I see people like really pack it on like a lot, but I'm just gonna go a little bit at a time. I don't want, I don't want the issue to be like, oh, I used too much, that's why it's, so I'm just gonna use it a little bit. And I'm just testing out the application today, not necessarily the wear time, because I'm not going anywhere. So the last time I used it though, I did go somewhere and I noticed creasing on one of my eyes. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. You know what, guys? I'm gonna clean off my eyes, and I'm not gonna use any other primer. I'm gonna use just this one. I really want to put it to test. Yeah. All right. So I wiped off everything on my eye, like the primer, everything. So my eye is bare now because I really want to put this thing to test. So I'm gonna do it how I've seen people do it. So I'm gonna glob it up. Not, well, we'll see. All right. So I'm gonna go and apply it. Okay, we're packing it on. I'm trying to smooth it out. I'm trying to smooth it out as much as possible. And it's a very creamy consistency. So all right, now that we have coated our eye and we look like a crazy woman. All right. And did I tell you guys what shade I'm using? I'm using shade number 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend a little bit around the edges, just the edges. I'm just pushing it into my skin so it doesn't look like such a harsh line, but just the edges though. Okay, maybe the eyelid as well. I'm just going to push it in. I'm not like swiping, I'm just like pushing it in. All right, first color, I'm going to take this light purple. What's it called again? Called Deep Grape. I'm going to pack that into my crease. I don't remember the last time I did like a really colorful eye. Okay. I'm going to just pack on the color first. Makeup, it always looks so crazy at first when you first start doing it. But then when you start blending, everything starts looking okay. So if you guys are not used to like makeup, this will look very strange, but that's okay. Trust the process. Trust the process. I miss doing looks like this though. I used to do looks like this when I first got into makeup, but time did not permit me to do them anymore, unfortunately. So I'm going to take this light bluish color, which is, you know, going for as much color as possible. It's called Gusty Grape. It's kind of like a light purplish blue. I'm going to put that on the outer edge to kind of blend this purple up. And I'm just going back and forth with the two colors just to make sure they blend nicely into each other. That lighter color is not going to show as much because I'm just using it as a blending color, just to kind of fade the other purple. So far so good. It's looking really, you know, it's not like the blending is not skipping, so that's good. Let's cut the crease. I'm gonna use two colors on my lid. So let's cut the crease. And this is supposed to be a really good brush, this p.louise brush, for cutting the crease. So we'll see. Jeez. Seems I keep going back to get some more of that p.louise base. At this rate, I don't know. I might need more. Alright guys. No lie, this brush, yeah, this brush is really nice. Yeah, this brush is really nice. It makes it really easy. Yeah. All right, let's try and now make it equal. That's always my issue, making sure that they are equal on both sides. But where there is a will, there is a way, right? So a tip for cut crease. So I'm noticing that it's easier. Ugh, cycle. I'm noticing that it's easier when you kind of use the tip of the brush to carve out the edges, like the shape of the cut crease first. Then you can now, once you have carved out that shape, then you can now use the brush, now paint it in the rest of the way. That's what it's making it. And I'm making sure that my eye is like this, so I can really see, although they are not looking very equal. There's certain art that the beauty is in the imperfection. Okay, that's what I'm going for. Okay, we won't fuss with it anymore. So first I'm gonna go in with that yellow shade. Let's see how this is gonna look. Okay, let me see, what's this yellow shade called? Ah! Yellow shade, bright. It's called can you guys see that? Bright yellow. Yeah, it's just a really light yellow shade. Alright, let's start putting it on. I don't know, this yellow is bleh. It's not showing up as bright as I want. And I'm just packing on the yellow. Focusing it like on the, you know, not all the way on my lid, just, what do I call it? A half, but not the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with a white eyeliner. I've been wanting to try this white eyeliner. It's from NYX. What? Let me show you guys what just happened. Do you guys see that sticky, that one head sticking out? What am I supposed to do with this? How am I supposed to use this now? Oh, jeez. You know what? I'm gonna have to use a different brush to do this eyeliner, because this brush is just no. This brush is just no. Yes, it's exactly, it's no. So I'm just putting the eyeliner on my hand, and then I'm gonna use a brush from there because I like the way it looks. This is not working. This is not working. Let's try another brush. Let's try another brush. You know what? We're just gonna. I'm just gonna try and use this eyeliner and hope for the best. Guys, this white eyeliner sucks. It's terrible. I'm just gonna have to try and clean it up with some concealer because this is not the business. It's not working for me. I'm not gonna fuss with it anymore. The only thing I'm gonna add is just highlighter in the corner. I'm gonna clean that up with concealer and hope for the best. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back to just tell you guys my thoughts about the what's it called, the p.louise base. So I just put the yellow and the purple on my lower lash line and paired it with I don't know if I like this lipstick color combo, but you know what, whatever. I forgot to put a highlighter. It's not like I'm going anywhere, so I don't even know why I'm putting highlighter on myself. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just going to go and cook and do laundry. Hey, I can look cute. I can look cute in my kitchen, right? All right. So about this p.louise something. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I mean, the look came out okay. It came out nice. Let me not even lie. It came out really nice. But is it the p.louise base that helped it? Honestly, I think I could get the same effect with a concealer. I really think I could get the same effect with a concealer. You know, I had okay, the one issue I had was blending the colors into each other. Now, I don't know if it's the shadow or if it's the base, because like I said, the shadows, they're not the best quality. They're okay quality, they're not the best quality. So my opinion, I would say, you know, if you want to try it out, but it's not something that I would say that, oh, you know, it's like next best thing to plantain. And if you know me, you know I love plantain. So I won't say that. I'll just be like, you know, it's something different to, you know, kind of try out, you know. If you don't want to, you can get what's it called? What's that thing? What is that thing again? Oh, you can get the $3.99 or $4.99 depending on where you live, concealer, and I'm pretty sure it will do the same thing. I'm just saying, I'm pretty sure it will do the same thing, because this p.louise base is $10. What's $10? It's £10. That's £10. That's about $12.50, maybe more in American money, in dollars. So I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know. I think you should, you know, buying that one will be better. So that's it. What do you guys think about the look? I actually really enjoyed the look. Now, this white eyeliner, stay away from it. It's already cracking. I didn't even go anywhere. It's cracking. It dries very funny. The applicator is terrible. If you guys have if you have a recommendation for a white eyeliner, please let me know, because I really want to wear a white eyeliner often, because I like the way it looks. I really like the way it looks, but this one, anyway, can you guys tell I'm disappointed? I had high hopes for that white eyeliner, but it disappointed me. So, p.louise base, if you want to try it, it's your money. As for me, I don't regret buying it. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to keep using it, you know, to kind of solidify my opinion on it. So, in the future, maybe I'll come back and tell you guys it's better than plantain. I don't know. Maybe, you never know, things can happen. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. And let me know below if you like that p.louise base, if you know how I used it. Did I use it right? You know, give me whatever advice you guys have. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.